What is your concern? What is opponent? Opponent shall refer these questions to an independent body, which my name is. No. Which modification all these many questions. My name is the next question. Can you then? Yes, sir. The question that I just made a compilation. Yes. Question is, which of the following statements is not correct? Actually, for this statement was written in Pali language. 4 is Vinaya Etika deals with the rules of this answer. The expert of the report expert company has given the option 1 as the correct answer. And it is further remark that statement number 2 is correct about Islam as correct answers. The online source of Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts and Ministry of Culture Government of India deals with this fact. Where the total number of Jatakas is 500 as per the I am aware the constraint of this not reporting coefficient. Yes. Then question number 1 or 2. Which of the following statements are this? Which of one of the following statements is not correct about the request? 10,560 mantras and 7,034. The geographical elements of the Rigveda again does not seem. In the Rigveda, there is no direct reference to Lord Shiva. Rudra also figures in only 4.5 Rigveda is connected to Lord Shiva. Vedic Heritage website and in Indira Gandhi for the Arts and Ministry of Culture Government of India deals with Rigveda. Where it stated that Rigveda contains 10 mandals.